Hi Vintage Bakers! Today I'm in the kitchen making muffins. These oatmeal banana chocolate chunk muffins are soft, moist, and packed with a ton of banana flavor. And not to mention a delicious way to turn any bananas that are getting past their prime into a delicious breakfast or snack. Since these muffins are full of nutritious bananas and wholesome oatmeal, you can feel a little better about this decadent snack. So let's get into the kitchen. This is how I make oatmeal banana chocolate chunk muffins. To start off, in a large bowl, I'm going to mix my dry ingredients. 1 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 1/4 cups of quick oats, 3/4 of a cup of white sugar, 1 1/2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. I'm going to give my dry ingredients a quick stir to evenly distribute the ingredients together. I'm going to set my dry ingredients aside and then I'm going to move on to my wet ingredients. Then in a separate bowl, I'm going to add 1 egg, 1/3 cup of butter, and 5 to 6 mashed bananas. That's right, these muffins are packed with a ton of banana flavor. Blend the wet ingredients until they're well combined. And then I'm going to add the wet and dry ingredients together. Mix just until the mixture comes together. A few lumps and bumps in the batter is fine. This will result in a soft and tender muffin, and any leftover bumps will work their way out while the muffins are in the oven. And for added decadence, I'm going to add in 3/4 cup of chocolate chunks. If you have chocolate chips on hand, these will work just as well. I'm just going to fold the chocolate into the mixture. If you want to swap out the chocolate in this recipe for a brighter, fruitier muffin, these are easily substituted with 1 cup of fresh or frozen berries. Raspberries, blueberries, or even cranberries add the perfect fruity punch to the soft, sweet banana flavor. I've already lined a muffin tin with liners so I can get right to filling them with batter. This is a relatively stiff batter so you can fill the cups without any worry of them running over in the oven. My batter filled my entire 12-cup tray. Now they're ready to go into my preheated 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius oven for 20 to 25 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean and the tops are golden. Enjoy! If you're a fan of deliciously simple vintage recipes and old-fashioned skills, then you'll want to check out this next video. Thanks for stopping by.